Shaking. Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm so sorry for the shaking of the camera. I'm here today on the 25th of August to showcase one of my prefabricated housing designs. I call it the Jigsaw house, and this is what it looks like. A domed construction, and this kind of house can be built anywhere in the world by anyone. It generally takes about 3 days to build, and it's easy to mount. You don't necessarily have to build it with these shapes, with this curvature or these grooves, and you don't have to build it in eighths. You can do quadrants. Okay, so I'd like to showcase how we put together this type of house, the jigsaw house, or the 1, 2, 3 casa. The first phase is that we collect all waste material, that is paper, whether newspaper, cardboard, or discarded paper. So phase 1 is we collect paper waste material. The second phase is we shred that paper material. The third phase is that we soak the shredded paper, in water and fire retardant liquid. And then the fourth phase is we apply the wet soaked paper to a mold and allow it to set. We let the water run off, and then we can either sun bake it or we can fire bake it, or dry it with fire. Okay, now this design should take about 3 days to do, give or take, if you're putting a foundation that goes with it, if you're building a foundation, and this is the design of the foundation. If you're not building with a foundation made of the same materials, then it should take about 2 days. The foundation is made out of the same material as the house, and we use fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and grooves that interlock along the side. Then, to keep the house from moving, if we're not grounding the house and we're using this this foundation, you can apply the steel rods along the perimeter. The beautiful thing about this house is that it can be built in halves, quadrants, eighths. And you don't necessarily have to follow this curved design, but I liked the curvature. You can do a straighter line, but I like the curvature, so I built it with the curvature. And then you can apply an adobe mix on the surface of this house. Sorry, again, I'm holding this so it's shaking a little bit. You can apply an adobe mix on the outside of the house. Being that the house is made out of paper, which is a very durable material, when you utilize this process, it becomes a very durable material. You can cut through the wall units to create windows and doors to your specifications. Okay, so this is the jigsaw house that I designed, and again, I designed it for, it can be used for disaster relief, low income housing, prefabricated housing, in short order. Okay, thank you and have a great day.